Everybody out there in the YouTube world, how's it going, guys and gals, all of my YouTube fans? Um, I just picked up. Yeah, I always say it's for my son, but it's for me too, since I do a repaints, woodworking, crafting, figure reviews, customs. I do all that stuff. But I'm gonna paint this for my son. Of course, when he gets older, he can play with it, whatever. But I'm gonna repaint it. I picked up the Irritator from Jurassic World. Um, I don't like the color on it, but the detail work, like the head scan. Well, not the head scan, but like the scaling, the way it looks, the details, the claws on this thing. Everything looks great. The teeth, the tongue. Look at that. So elaborate. And yeah, I mean, Mattel has just been really kicking butt in their dinosaur figures. Okay, like it's pretty sweet. Looks like a crocodilian style. Yeah, they're really coming out with some stuff. I want to get the Majunkasaurus, if I'm saying that correctly. I'm sorry. Um, but I picked up the Irritator. Picked them up on eBay. I paid a little bit more than what I wanted. Hopefully, this is what my wife was complaining about. But until I told her what I'm going to do, she was okay with it. So, yeah, the Irritator, and I'm going to get him out of the package here for y'all so we can take a look at him closer. And I'm also going to do a repaint on this guy, so I'm not going to throw away the box for y'all, okay? I haven't done dinosaur repaints in a while, but yeah, I'm going to get to it. But give me a second, and I'm going to get him out of the box, and we're going to do another review, okay? Okay, so I got him out of the box for y'all. He's a stocky figure. Pretty heavy. Well, not that heavy, but it's pretty heavy. It's a little thwecko here. Anybody who knows can't stand correctly. I'm trying to pinpoint the sound here, but look at the detail on this thing, guys. It's just the teeth, the way it looks, crocodilian-like. Looks like the baryonyx, but it's not a baryonyx. The tail, you can pretty much go like, what is it? Like that. Kind of go up and down on them. There's no buttons here to press when I'm trying to feel. It's got some stomping action there too. Oh, there you go. I need to stop pressing that button because I'm gonna wake my kids. Any parent, y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I mean, just look at the detail on this thing. It's just fantastic. Yeah, he's got this brown color scheme here. I am gonna do a repaint on him. I already have the picture of what I'm gonna do. And this blue, I'm gonna get rid of this blue that he has. He's gonna be a totally different figure, a totally different dinosaur, but still a Irritator. But that's kind of a cool name, huh? The Irritator. Weird. Never heard of that before for the dinosaur name. Yeah, the distinctive jawline on this thing. It's just, he looks pretty awesome. I'm gonna do some photography pictures with him. I actually need to do with the rest of my dinosaurs that I got from my boy. I need to some safari pictures, which I do a lot of safari pictures or like wildlife photography, but I wanted to add my son's toys in it to make it look more realistic. But the claws, like baryonyx claws, supposedly that the baryonyx is a little bit bigger, but actually there's almost same size of figure. Now I would do a comparison for y'all, but my son's asleep right now, so y'all, if y'all can give me some time, I will do a comparison of the size of this thing compared to the other dinosaurs that my son has in his room. But yeah, I know for the aquatic predators, There's the Suchomimus, there's the Baryonyx, now the Irritator, and then the Spinosaurus. I can barely touch him and he roars. And then the Spinosaurus, which is what I don't have. That's the only dinosaur that I've been wanting forever. And when they came out with the new one, I wanted that thing so bad. But I still trying to find it. Lord willing, pray for me, guys, that I can get that figure. I can do a review on it, and I can repaint it for y'all too. But this is the Irritator. He is going to be repainted. I just wanted to show him for y'all. He's actually been sitting in his box still for the last week when I got him. And my son saw him. I was hiding it from my son, and he noticed it, and he wanted to play with it. But my wife told him, no, not yet, not till Daddy gets home. All this blue color schemes, I'm going to get rid of all this. Oh, wow, it almost looks like a Spinosaurus like this. But, yeah, he's definitely going to be repainted. Like I said, I'm going to show y'all that picture again. And that's what he's going to look like. I'm going to try my best. I haven't done dinosaur repaints in a while, but I'm going to start again. Of course, I got other projects around the house that y'all are going to be seeing. Like, share, and subscribe, guys, and I will see y'all soon.